Hello, Torus Network judges. So we are going for the Discord bot community insights track, and we built a bot called Hivemind for that. My name is Xander,
My name is Aditya.
I'm Lam.
and through this pitch deck, at first we're just going to show you a quick overview before we get into the demo. So after talking to you guys, we got a pretty good idea of what you guys were looking for specifically with this bot. So you mentioned like Eliza is doing some really similar things, and so there's a lot of good collaboration opportunities there. You can use this bot to scrape their updates channel potentially, and basically summarize new and upcoming things that could be good to work together on. You can also use this bot to summarize user feedback in your support ticket channels. That way you know like what your users are looking for and how to develop to serve them best. Lastly, if you ever want to do any competitor analysis, you can just hop into a competitor's server and scrape the announcements channel to see what they're up to. So moving ahead, we're going to basically just scrape with this Discord bot to get some insights. Let's go into how it works real quick before we get started. So in order to get the full functionality, we had to use a self bot. So the Discord bot is going to log in through a user account. From there, in order to do authentication, it works best with a human. So it's just going to log in. You can just log in and authenticate in any of the servers that you actually want to scrape from. From there, it's going to merge everything into a single JSON file before we pass it to the LLM. We're using a GPT-4 model, but if you guys want to handle a lot of volume, you can go to a more powerful one as well. Cool, so moving on. Here's just a quick overview of the dashboard that's going to return, and we'll show you that right now. So let's hop out of this real quick and then go over to Cursor where we'll launch the bot. So let's open this real quick and go ahead and run it. Okay, so now our bot is online. I'm just going to jump over to your guys' Discord over here. And then our keyword is hello all. So I'm just going to type it in the chat right here. Like that. And then that'll basically trigger our workflow. So if we hop back into Cursor, you can see last 20 messages saved to messages.json. That's the JSON file I was mentioning earlier. And then the LLM is going to return a themes document, which we stored locally here. So now if we hop on over to the terminal, we can just do npm start. And so now on localhost port 3000, it's going to show us the summary that we needed. So let's go here. Cool. So this is the hot topics region. This is basically just summarizing exactly what the content matter is that people are discussing in the specified channel. This was obviously general channel from your guys' Discord. You can read this as you like. You guys wanted to have some information on who were the top contributors. This is going to show you and just rank them here. In terms of influential members, we figured that the best metric for analyzing this is going to be the number of mentions that they receive. So you can see the user ID and the number of mentions here in order to track that. Also, if you guys are interested in peak times with you or any of your competitors, you can see the user activity over time here. And then in terms of just figuring out major themes and kind of new emerging ideas, we have the keywords right here. So you can figure out what people are most interested in right at the moment. So cool, that's all we got for you. And from there, we'll just encourage you to harvest the hive mind, or harness. Yeah, cool, bye.